derivative is the dx, and d derivative is the constant derivative is the 0, t derivative is the 1, itself derivative is the dt. Therefore dx is equal to dt by a. Now substitute the problem. Integral of root of t dx is replaced by dt by a. Dx is replaced by dt by a. 1 by a is the quotient outside of the integration. Integral of single variable to the power of 1 by 2 into dt. Single variable x power of n derivative. Okay na? X power of n derivative. X power of n derivative is x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Now simplify and write down the answer is 1 by a t power of 3 by 2 by denominator is the 3 by 2 plus c. Integration is completed. Substitution term t replaced with original function. Substitution t replaced with original function. Is it clear everyone? Right. I go through the reverse of 3 by 2 is the 2 by 3a. T replacement is the ax plus b whole power of 3 by 2 plus integral constant is the c. Why integral constant? Already I will tell. X square derivative is the 2x. X square plus 5 derivative also 2x. Difference. That's why we can add the integral constant is the c. This is the one method by the substitution process. No sir, I will follow the direct chain rule process. Right, you can follow the chain rule process also. Second method, everyone see. Second method is I go through the second method. I go through the direct method. Integral of ax plus b whole power of 1 by 2 into dx. Whole power of 1 by 2 into dx. First integration basing the x power of n formula. So x power of n formula is ax plus b whole power of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. Next, by the chain rule, ax plus b is not a single term. Ax plus b is not a single term. That's why by the chain rule. So what is the chain rule? Is the d by dx of ax plus b. Integral constant write down plus c. Integral constant write down plus c. Is it clear? Right. Now it will become as a ax plus b whole power of 3 by 2. Denominator is a 3 by 2. Ax plus b derivative is a coefficient x derivative 1. B constant derivative is a 0. By the simplification 2 by 3a ax plus b whole power of 3 by 2 plus c plus integral constant is the c. Two methods we can follow. We can do the substitution method. We can do the chain rule method. We can follow any method in the examination. Okay na? But we get the same answer. Sometimes we get the different answer, but by the simplification we get the same answer only. Don't worry about that one. Okay na? Right. But we can be any answer is different is came. We can apply the derivative. We get the given function. So that method is the correct. Okay na? Simplification also not necessary. Textbook answer not necessary. We can do by any method. We get the answer. That answer should be applied again derivative. Then we get the original function. Then it is the correct one procedure. Right. Everyone go through the seventh problem. Everyone go through the seventh problem. What is the seventh problem? Is x into root over x plus 2 into dx. X into root over x plus 2 into dx. Okay na? X into root over x plus 2. Here x not multiplied. X is not multiplication is possible. X square go through the root, it will become as a complicated. That's why I will replace root. I am going to let it be as a t function. So root function is the biggest function. Without root function is the smallest function. So that's why root function, let it be t. Here multiplication no rule, in integration no multiplication formula. That's why we make it as a plus minus procedure only. So that's why x is not possible to multiply inside of the root. Because of x square is go outside inside x square, but x square is come outside, it will become as a plus or minus because of root. Plus is using a, minus is using a, that is how we get again down. So that's why we are not going through the root function is the longest function. That's why root function is let it be t and make it as a very simple. So now see, I am going to let it be as a root function. X plus 2 is equal to t. Okay, now derivative itself derivative. X derivative is the 1, itself is the dx. 2 constant derivative is the 0. T derivative is the 1, itself derivative is the dt. Dx is equal to dt. Okay, now right. Now we can write. So integral of x case is right now. What is the x? T minus 2. Is it clear? T minus 2 into root over x plus 2 is the t into dx is the dt. Now it is multiplication is a very simple. So we can multiply root term is the single term and without root term is the big term, no problem, we can multiply. Therefore we can multiply and separate the two parts. T into t root t, t into root t. Root t means I am going to write it as a t power of 1 by 2. T into root t means t power of 1 by 2 dt minus 2 into root t means t power of 1 by 2 into dt. Is it clear everyone? So bases are equal. We should add the powers. So integral of t power of 3 by 2 into dt minus 2 outside t power of 1 by 2 into dt. Single function x power of n formula. Write down the x power of n formula. T power of 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 into t power of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Now simplify. T power of 5 by 2 by 5 by 2. Okay, na? T power of 5 by 2 by 5 by 2 minus 2 into t power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. Now the problem is completed. That's why substitution is replaced. And now I go through the replace substitution. What is the replacement of the substitution? Please, everyone see. T place I am going to write. What is the t place in the x plus 2? So x plus 2 whole power of 5 by 2 reverse 2 by 5 reverse 2 by 5 minus reverse of 3 by 2 4 by 3 4 by 3. Now it is the x plus 2 whole power of 3 by 2 plus c. That's enough. So by the substitution method, the root function is the biggest function, non-root function is the smallest function, multiplication is not possible, and no integration formula, no multiplication of integration formula, we have to make plus and minus. That's why root term is the longest term, root term is the longest term. That's why that longest term let it be t and make it to the simplification. It is easy to work out. Okay, na? Right. Everyone go through the 8th problem, same model we can work out. Everyone fast we can do 8th problem. X into 1 plus 2x square. X into 1 plus 2x square root over 1 plus 2x square into dx. Fast we can do. Same method. Root function is the greatest, non-root function is the simple but not multiplication, no multiplication of integration formula. That's why root function let it be as a greatest function. Root is the 1 plus 2x square is the greater than the x. That's why greatest function let it be as a t and make it as a simplification. Right, first we can do let 1 plus 2x square is equal to t. One derivative 0, 1 derivative 0, 2 times x square derivative is the 2x, 4x into dx is equal to dt. dx is equal to dt by 4x. dt by 4x. Right, substitution everyone. Integral of, here not a x, here is the x square, not a x, here is the x square. That's why integral of, everyone see, integral of x root over t dx is the dt by 4x. X term should be cancelled. Okay na? Alright, now take outside 1 by 4 coefficient outside. Integral of root means 1 by 2 into dt. Okay na? 1 by 2 into dt. 1 by 2 is the x power of n formula because of single variable. X power of n formula, is it clear? X power of n formula. So 1 by 4 t power of 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Okay na? Plus c, t is replaced everyone. So because of integration is completed, that's why substitution. So 1 by 4, 2 by 3, t means what is the t? 2x square plus 1 whole power of 3 by 2 plus c. By the simplification, 1 by 6 times of 2x square plus 1 whole power of 3 by 2 plus c is the required answer. That's enough. Completed everyone? Right, same model, 9th also same model. 9th also same model, see. Root function is the greatest, outside function is the smallest. Root function is the greatest, outside function is the smallest. That's why root function let it be as a t. Right, 4th, 9th problem. First we can do 4x plus 2 into root over x square plus x plus 1, x square plus x plus 1, x square plus x plus 1 into dx. Right, root function is the greatest than this than the non-root function. Everyone, root function let it be as a t. Same model, root function let it be as a t. Its derivative is very carefully we can observe. Derivative will become as a cancel. Automatically it will be cancelled. Right, everyone see. Let root function is the greatest, x square plus x plus 1 is equal to t. X dot derivative, itself derivative, x square derivative is the 2x, x derivative is the 1 derivative is the 0 into dx, itself derivative, x square derivative is the 2x into dx, x derivative is the 1 into dx, and 1 derivative is the 0, and t derivative is the 1, itself is the dt. So 2x plus 1 into dx is equal to dt. Now write down dx. dx is equal to dt by 2x plus 1. dt by 2x plus 1. Is it clear? Now come to the problem. First one, in this one, what is the common is? 2 is common. Take 2 is common. It will become as a 2x plus 1. Root function is the t into dt. Right? Now dt, please write down dt by 2x plus 1. dt by 2x plus 1, both are cancelled. Now it will 2 is the coefficient outside. Integral of root t means t power of 1 by 2 into dt. T power of 1 by 2 is the x power of n formula. X power of n formula is the integration is completed. Let function is replaced with original function. Reverse 4 by 3. T function is x square plus x plus 1 whole power of 3 by 2 plus c is the required answer. Is it clear, everyone? Right, everyone go through the 10th problem, same model. Smallest function, greatest function, everyone go through the 10th problem. First we move through towards 10th problem. Right. Integral of 1 by x minus root x into dx. So how can you do, sir? This problem is, here is, this is not in multiplication but u by v, no formula. Compulsory substitution method we can do. 1 by function is u by v. So I will bring it to the numerator, sir. First power formula, next I will do the chain rule, sir. Yes, we can do, no problem. But easiest method we can search. First we have to search for easiest method. Otherwise we are not getting this, we go through the chain rule, no problem. Okay, na? First I will observe every single term is the multiplication of the, so two root terms. X is the root x into root x. One root x is take common. One root x is take common. Simple. Okay, na? Right. Every x term is 1 by root x into root x minus root x into dx. Okay, now 1 root x is common. Integral of 1 root x is common. Integral of 1 by root x is common. Another one is the root x minus 1 into dx. Another one is the root x minus 1 into dx. Is it clear? Now root x minus 1, let it be t. Its derivative is the 1 by 2 that x we have. Very simple. Right, let it be root x minus 1. Why, sir? I will take only root x is the common, sir. Only let it be t, sir. No, constant is nothing will be happens. Constant derivative is the 0. That's why including constant we can take. Okay, na? Right, everyone see. Itself derivative, root x derivative is the 1 by 2 root x. Itself is the dx. T derivative is the dt. Okay, na? T derivative is the dt. So dx is equal to 2 root x into dt. Right, substitute, we get the answer. Simple. Right, integral of 1 by root x. Next one is the t. Dx means 2 root x into dt. Right, root x is cancelled. 2 is the outside. Integral of 1 by t into dt. Now what is the 1 by x? Integration is the log x. 1 by t integration is the log t. Right now. 2 times of log t plus c. Exactly correct is the not a log. Base is means ln is the correct one. Some textbook is given ln, don't confuse. ln means log with base is e. log means with base 10. But southern side we are following the log only. Okay? Right, everyone go through the 11th problem. 11th problem. What is the 11th problem is integral of x by root over x plus 4 into dx. Right, how can you do this problem is telling root function is the greatest, non-root function is the smallest. First integration u by v, no formula. Any formula for integration u by v? No formula. That's why greatest, longest root function let it be t. Simple. Right. No u by v formula. That's why greatest root function let it be the 1, itself is the dt. Write down integral of x by root t dx is the dt. Problem is converted in terms of t, but x is variable, never be stopped. X place write down t in terms of t. So integral of x means t minus 4 by root t into dt. Right, separate two parts, problem is completed. Separate two parts, problem is completed. First, so integral of t by root t into dt minus integral of 4 by root t into dt. T is cancelled, root t into dt. 4 is the outside, integral of 1 by root t into dt. Root t means t power of 1 by 2 into dt minus 4 into integral of t power of minus 1 by 2 into dt. X power of n formula apply. Apply x power of n formula first. Here t is written down. T means root x minus 1 plus c. Right, first complete. First complete. Everyone go through the 12th problem. Here completed na t power of 3 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1, 1 by 2 plus 1 is the 3 by 2, t power of minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is the plus half, minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is the plus half, plus c. T means t place write down value x plus 4. T place write down the value x plus 4. T place write down the value x plus 4. Okay na? Right. Everyone go through the 12th problem. 12th problem. Integral of x cube minus 1 4 power of 1 by 3 x power of 5 into dx. Okay na? Right, everyone see. Qth root term is the greatest than the outer is the single function. X power is don't see. X power of 5 or x square or whatever it may be. Don't see the power. Okay na? So it is a single function, but it is a linear function. Qth root term is the greatest. That's why qth root term is let it be as a t. Qth root term is let it be as a t. Right, everyone start. So qth root term is the linear and this is the single function. Therefore qth root is the greater. Immediately qth root is the let it be as a t. Right, everyone. X cube minus 1 let it be t. 3x square itself derivative is the dx. dt derivative is the t derivative is the 1. Itself is the dt. dx is equal to dt by 3x square. Right? Everyone go through the problem substitution. X cube is the t power of 1 by 3 x power of 5 x cube into x square into dx. Right? Integral of t power of 1 by 3 x cube means t plus 1 x dx means dt by 3x square dx means dt by 3x square x square both should be cancelled. Now multiply and do the problem. Multiply and do the problem, everyone. T power of 1 by 3 into t dt. 1 by 3 is the outside, bracket bracket 1 by 3 is the complete multiplication, and plus integral of t power of 1 by 3 into dt, t power of 1 by 3 into t plus t power of 1 by 3 into 1 is the t power of 1 by 3. Is it clear? Right. Bases are equal, we should add the powers. Bases are equal, we should add the powers. By adding up the power, 1 by 3 plus 1 is the 4 by 3. Right down 1 by 3 bracket of 1 by 3 is the multiplication of all the numbers. Therefore, integral of t power of bases are equal, we should add the powers. 4 by 3 dt plus integral of t power of 1 by 3 into dt. Okay na, t power of 1 by 3 into dt. Is it clear? Right. X power of n formula, x power of n formula apply. X power of n plus 1 by x power n plus 1. 1 by 3 is the total multiplication bracket. So t power of 7 by 3 by 7 by 3 plus t power of 4 by 3 by 4 by 3 plus integral constant plus integral constant. Right, t place write down the value. T place write down the value, everyone. You should write down the t place. T place means what is the t value? X cube minus 1. X cube minus 1 write down. Reverse 3 will be cancelled. Reverse very carefully, you can see 1 by 3. 3 by 7. What is the x value? The x cube minus 1 whole power of 7 by 3 plus 3 by 4. X cube minus 1 whole power of 4 by 3 plus c. So 3 is take outside and cancel, we get the required answer. Is it clear? Right, everyone go through the problem. First, everyone see the 13th problem. Integral of x square by 2 plus 3x cube whole square into dx. Again you can observe. Again observe. So u by v, no formula. No formula for u by v. Problem is, observe everyone. X square. Okay, I will write some downside. Right. Problem now see. X square. Everyone see. Numerator is the x square. Denominator is the greatest. Sit it cube only. Sit it cube only among x cube. Denominator is the see 2 right sorry okay, thank you. Right, thank you. Right, everyone do. So u by v, no formula. X cube derivative is the x square, 3x square, therefore x cube derivative is let it be, therefore cube function total is the let it be as a t. So 2 plus 3x cube, let it be as a t. Right. X cube derivative is in the numerator. X cube derivative is the numerator. Okay na? That's why apply the derivative, let it be t. This is let it be t. This derivative, what function have the derivative? That function should be let it be as a t. X cube has a derivative. Therefore, x cube function means x cube is including with some other constant. That's why you should take completely. Okay na? So 2 constant derivative 0, 3. X cube derivative is the 3x square. Itself derivative is the dx. T derivative is the 1. Itself derivative is the dt. So dx is equal to dt by 9x square. Right? Substitution we can apply. We get the answer. First we can do integral of x square, denominator is the t cube, dx plus is the dt by 9x square, x square should be cancelled. Okay, now 1 by 9 is the outside. Integral of t power of minus 3 into dt. Alright, t power of minus 3, write down. T power of minus 3, x power of n formula. First we will complete. 1 by 9, t power of minus 3 plus 1 is a minus 2. By minus 3 plus 1 is a minus 2 plus c. This is minus 1 by 18, 1 by t square plus c. T means write down. Minus 1 by 18, 1 by t. What is the t value? 2 plus 3x cube whole square t plus integral constant. Okay, na? First we can come to the say 50. Right, we come to the next. 13 is completed. 14th problem. First we can come to the 14th problem. 15 is our target. Today we have to complete 15. Up to time. 15 first, 14. Integral of 1 by x into log x power of m into dx. X derivative is not a log x. Okay. Right. X derivative is not a log x. Okay, Vivek. Okay. Tomorrow onwards here only will take. Right. X derivative is not a log x. Log x derivative is the 1 by x. Therefore, log x let it be t. Right. Log x let it be t. First. X derivative is not a log x. Log x derivative is the 1 by x. Already we have 1 by x. Let it be t. So 1 by x into itself derivative dx is equal to dt. Dx is equal to x dt. Right, substitution. Integral of 1 by x t power of m into dx means dx dt. X should be cancelled. Integral of t power of minus m. Reciprocal function comes into the numerator. Reciprocal function comes into the numerator. Therefore, apply the formula t power of minus m plus 1 by minus m plus 1 plus c. Right? T value write down. What is the t value? The log x. Log x power of minus m plus 1 by minus m plus 1 plus c. Right. Cut a pen. Create this common bound TV.